Good morning. Welcome to the kingdom. This is the place where we make $200 to $1,000 per day. The market is getting ready to open any second. This is the NASDAQ. Looks like an uptrend. So I am buying one contract before the bell opens, which is very risky because it's very volatile when the market opens. I'm going to hold off and wait a few more seconds. And there it goes. There's the market open. I was going to buy, and look at that. I would have lost money right there, but let's see if it pops. That's the NASDAQ. That's the Dow. And there it goes. These are the micros. Let's see if it hits our line. Okay, it just hit our line. I do like the Dow better. These are micros, so I'm going to go in. I do a starter position of 5 micros at a time. We'll do that starter position. Look at that. That's the Dow. So what we'll do is we can go a whole 100 points, take profit up to this line. Okay, I guess it did not hit. Let's see if we can hit. Oh, there it is, up $12. There's 25, 31. We took $31 out of that. So what I'm going to do is a 5-minute chart. I'm going to get back into this because it looks like we're overvalued. 111, come back up to here. That's not going to hit. So let's see if we can get 182. Oh. So we're down. This loss here would be a $100 loss, but there's 43. I love it. Love it. 60. I'm taking another 55 out of that. Come over to the real money account. We're down a few dollars. And this is the Dow. I'm surprised. Okay, we're just playing this reversal here in this 5-minute chart. Let's go over to gold. Dropped a lot. We have that's what we played right there, the Dow. Let's see what this NASDAQ is looking like. I think this is still going down a little bit more. So that was the micro. I might play this one more time. That's 100. Let's see if we can get back up to this line. Seems like it does not want to break that. So I should have got in right there. Would have been up a few more dollars. Let's see if it comes back down. What does the 1 minute look like? I need one more push down. The question is, do I take it one more time? I should have took that because it looks like it's staying in this area. So we have some support right here. Let's see if this wants to pop. There's a good possibility this wants to pop up. We got a 1-to-1. Look at that. Missed it again. Missed it again. That was a nice run right there. Here comes our next candle. Oh, okay. I might just take this, and then we can always get back in it. Okay, I guess I'm in. I'm just going to take a quick profit because this can reverse quick. I still think it's going to go up to here, but I'll take a quick $20 out of that. I'm back up to my original price here. I need $100 to have my buffer. This is Take Profit Trader. As you can see on the bottom, we're up $137. The Dow is not doing too good for me. Okay, the NASDAQ went back down. Yeah, I could have stayed in it because I thought it was going to go to this yellow line, which if it pulls back, I can actually buy a little bit more. Yeah, so we can still buy this. NASDAQ is dropping. We are down another 200 points from yesterday, 250 in the NASDAQ. If you're following my strategy, this is the personal account. This is the prop firm account. I come down, we can take 100 points. These are micros. I think it's coming back up to at least here. So that's a $50 profit if I can get in. Let's see what this candle does. If it comes down a little bit more. Okay, there we go. 1 minute. See, this is all support right here. That's all support. So let's see if this is going to break. Or is it going to hit? So that's a okay, I got in. That's a $70. $70. I'm going to take that 21, another 21. We're just going to keep taking these small little wins. And this is how we build an account. So we're up $152. 10 minutes. Roughly about 8. What do we got? About 8 minutes into the session. We can just keep scalping these $20 wins. We had a $50, $50 win. The question is, how much further can this drop? If you go on to the 1 minute, okay, there it is. Oh my God, it hit perfectly. From here, I'm about to teach you this. From here to exactly there is the base. You don't see that base I was forming? I trade off that base. I just missed a nice runner. Now it's not breaking this high here. So this could break. If it breaks this right here, this is the Dow, roughly 755s, then we're in trouble. We do have a lower high coming down. That's our level right there. That's the top of our level. Question is, see, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So this could drop. It could break this, and then we're going to the downside. So we just switch our strategy. And there we go. Wow, look at the NASDAQ. I'm missing out on some money on the NASDAQ. This is I believe this is getting ready for a reversal. It's oversold, but that's on the 1 minute, so I'm not too impressed with that. But what we can do, just to see if we can get a runner up, we'll place a trade on the NASDAQ also. Oh, I hit it wrong. I got in wrong. See, I got stopped out real quick. Lost $50. I hit the wrong button. When it dropped, I hit it before it dropped. Oh, totally my fault. We're going to try this again. So now you want to take off. Now you want to take off. Extremely disappointed. I'm looking for $200 a day on the personal account. There's my 200. Let me get up out of here. That dropped quick. Let's see if we can push back up to the 200. There's our 200. There's our 222. 222. And I was in that. I got in at the wrong price, reversed down to my line, popped back up. I did not have my stop loss down here. I didn't have time to switch it. Man, a $50 loss right there. I should have bought this Dow. I should have bought more of these Dows down here. Right now I'm up 222 on the personal, $100 on the prop. Let me write this down, 222 and 100. There's another 20. I'm just going to get out of it if I see profit. $17 on that. We'll say 18. $240. On the personal, $240. That's gold. I'm really disappointed on that trade. Dow hit that line and reversed. So total, I'm up $340 on the day. So this is where your mental comes in. Because right now I'm kicking myself over $50 on this trade. I could have made $250 right there. But I lost 50. Unbelievable. Okay, now we just have to move on. Look at the Dow's popping. Look at that 1 minute chart. If it breaks here, I'm getting in. I'm in. Let's see if it rides. Oh, what was that? That was the NASDAQ? Yeah, I should have. That was the NASDAQ. Let's see what the Dow. Okay, we just reversed on that. Now we have to determine which way is this going. New candle. Can we get a quick jump? Missed it. That was a $500 profit right there. We got to get above the center line in order to be in profit. And it does look like it wants to come down. Okay, we're coming back up on the Dow and the NASDAQ. We're only down 250. Let's look at these 5-minute charts. This looks nice on gold. Getting a little pullback now. This is where patient comes in. What is this? This is the Dow. Let's see what we got. Still hurting over that $50 trade, but we're going to get over it. We're going to move forward. Okay, this is the 5-minute. I might call this a day. We're 20 minutes into this and we are up. What are we up? $340 in 20 minutes. But this one looks pretty good. Yeah, I should have took that. Dow is a nice runner. Yep. Missed out on some money. I'm done. All right, I'm taking my profit. Okay, we're up another $100. I found, oh, come on. I almost forgot about this. I'm gonna take whatever I can get. Oh, wow, it just dropped on me. I forgot I was in this trade. All right, I'm taking whatever I can get, which is $40. 280 on the personal, 100 in the prop. $380, and this is the kingdom. This is the place where you need to be. Every day I do this and I make money. I'm going to put out a free offer coming up. Stay tuned for this free offer. If you like this, If you like this kind of content, this is what I do. I own a business, which I'm about to go out and do right now, and I invest in the stock market. 10 minutes to 30 minutes max, make over 200 a day. And this is how we do it, to be a blessing to those around us. We're blessed so that we can be a blessing. This is for people of faith where I want to teach how to go to the next level in your finances. Okay? We don't need to rely on food stamps and government assistance. You need to be in tune with the kingdom and in tune with people who are making money so they can teach you how to do it. Tap in, follow along, like this video, and definitely become a subscriber. The free offer is coming up. And until then, get out there and create a kingdom business.